Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of setting up your online store using Squarespace. This will be a detailed tutorial covering everything you need to know to get your e-commerce site up and running. So make sure you follow all these steps till the end of the video. Now let's get started. So the first thing you'll need to do is head over to squarespace.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account, click on Get Started and sign up on Squarespace. I'm going to log in by clicking on my profile icon and selecting Account Dashboard. In your account dashboard, you'll find all the websites you have previously created. But since we are setting up a new online store, go ahead and click on the Create Website button at the top of the website. A new tab will open, prompting you to choose the type of website you want to create. For an online store, I recommend selecting Online Store option here. Squarespace offers a variety of templates to choose from. Pick up a template that fits your brand. For this tutorial, I'm going to select this one. Once you've made your choice, you'll be asked to select a color preset. I'm going to go with the default one, but feel free to customize this to match your brand's color scheme. Click Start with this design to proceed. Now that your template is set, you'll be taken to Configuration page, where you can start customizing your site. Here, you'll need to input some basic information about your store. For example, I'm naming my store Weave Media. Now I will click on Continue. You'll be given a brief tutorial on various elements you can edit, so follow the prompts and once you're ready, click on Get Started. Now that we are in the site editor, you can start making adjustments. If you want to see how your site will look on different devices, you can switch between desktop and mobile views by using the icons at the top right corner. You also have the option to change site styles, such as fonts, colors, and animations. Just click on Site Styles option at the top right corner. If you want to update your font, click on the Fonts option and choose another font for your site by clicking on All Font Packs and choosing another font in this section. And you can modify everything from heading style to the base text size. There are plenty of customization options available, so take your time to explore them. After you're done, click on Save, then click on Exit. Let's move on to the navigation section of your site. Here, you'll see different pages like Shop, Journal, Our Story, Contact, About Us, and much more. You can click on any one of these to start editing the content. For example, if I click on the Shop button, it will take me to this page. So if you want to add new products to your store, click on the Pages option at the top left corner. Now click on Shop and this will take you to this page. Here, you'll have the option to add various types of products such as physical items, digital downloads, or services. For example, let's add a physical product. Click on the Add Product button here, choose Physical. Now click on Add Image, click on Upload File. You can also click on Select from Library, but I'm going to choose Upload File. So for example, I'll select this one and click on Open. Now click on Next. Type in the price of this product. You can select the stock or you can simply choose Unlimited Stock. So enter this accordingly and click on Add More Details. Now enter your product's name, the description of the product. You can click on Additional Info, add more information about this product. If there's none, scroll down and click on the Save button here. You can also click on Publish. After you click on Publish, this is going to add this product to our shop page on the website. As you can see, I just added this product here. And if you need to edit an existing product, just click on the three-dotted icon just after that product. Click on Edit. Now you can make any necessary changes and save them. For example, you can remove the product name, description, add something else, or change this image and click on Save. That product's information will be changed on your page. Now let's talk about editing other pages on your site. To edit the home page, for example, navigate to the home page and click on the Edit button at the top left corner. Here, you can add new blocks like text, images, videos, or other elements by clicking the Add Block button at the top left corner. For example, let's add an image block. So select Image. Now upload your image and adjust its setting as needed. Click on the plus icon, click on Upload File, choose the image, adjust it accordingly. Now click anywhere on your page and as you can see, this image has been added as a block on this section. You can also click on the mobile view and see how your image looks like on your mobile phone. So it's looking something peculiar. So I'll adjust it. Now I will go back to desktop view and as you can see, it's perfect for both mobile and laptop devices. Now you can also add new sections like a portfolio or contact section just by clicking on the Add Section button and choose any of the new section that you want to add and that will appear on your website. And if you want to customize existing sections, click on the edit section button just at the top of any section. Now you can adjust the layout, background, color, and you can also modify your text by clicking on it and typing a new content. You have the option to edit the design, background, and colors. Once you're satisfied with the changes, click on the save to apply them. And if you need to edit other pages, follow the same steps by selecting the page you want to edit from the sidebar and using the edit button. So that covers the basics of setting up your online store on Squarespace. There's a lot more you can explore, like managing your products, setting up payment methods, and promoting your site through a Squarespace marketing tool. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And check out our next videos for more tips on building your online presence. Thanks for watching.